Hey, side hustlers! Welcome back to the channel where we uncover the easiest and most effective ways to make money online, no matter where you are in the world. If you're searching for a simple, free way to earn some extra cash online without any complicated steps or hidden requirements, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a method that anyone can do, even if you have zero experience. But before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll always be the first to know about the latest and greatest ways to make money online, right from the comfort of your home. And I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your country in the comments below. I want to make sure these videos are helpful for everyone, no matter where you live. All right, let's get started. So have you ever heard of making money just by liking social media pages or watching short videos online? It might sound too good to be true, but stick with me. I'll show you exactly how it works. And no, this isn't some kind of scam or shady scheme. You don't need to pay anything up front, and you don't need to worry about giving out your credit card details. This is a legit opportunity that anyone can try. The website I'm talking about is called FollowFast. It's a trusted platform that's been around for years, helping people from all over the world earn a little extra money in their spare time. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to sign up for a free account. The process is super simple and only takes a minute or two. There's no need for a credit card, no hidden fees, and no complicated forms. Just enter your email, create a password, and you're good to go. You'll get instant access to the platform. Once you're inside, you'll see a dashboard filled with easy online tasks. These are things you probably already do every day, like browsing social media or watching videos. The tasks include liking Facebook pages, following people on Instagram, subscribing to YouTube channels, or watching short YouTube videos. Each task only takes a few seconds to complete. Every time you finish a task, you earn points. The more tasks you complete, the more points you rack up. It's that simple. And here's the best part. Those points aren't just for show. You can actually convert them into real cash. That means your time and effort turn directly into money you can spend. Now, you might be wondering, how much can I actually make with this? Well, your earnings depend on how much time you're willing to put in. If you spend just a few minutes a day, you can start seeing your balance grow. The great thing is, you don't have to wait forever to cash out. Once you reach just $2 in your account, you can withdraw your money. That's a super low minimum compared to most other sites, so you can actually get paid quickly. Plus, you get to choose how you want to receive your earnings. Whether you prefer PayPal, Perfect Money, or even Bitcoin, FollowFast gives you the flexibility to pick the payment method that works best for you. And the best part? It doesn't matter where you live. Whether you're in the US, India, Nigeria, the Philippines, or anywhere else, you can join and get paid. This is truly a global opportunity. Of course, let's be real. This isn't going to make you a millionaire overnight. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you're already spending time on your phone or computer, why not turn those spare moments into a little extra cash? Imagine this. Instead of just scrolling through your feed or watching videos for free, you could be earning money for every like, follow, or view. It's a smart way to make your screen time work for you. This is the perfect side hustle for students looking to make pocket money, stay-at-home parents who want to contribute to the household income, or anyone who wants to earn a little extra without a lot of effort or commitment. And remember, it's completely free to join, and it's open to people all over the world. No matter your background or experience, you can get started today. So, what do you think? Does this sound like something you'd be interested in trying out? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you give it a shot and see how much you can earn just by liking pages or watching videos in your spare time? Or maybe you've already tried something similar. Let us know. Drop your experiences, questions, or tips in the comments below. I'm always reading and replying, and your feedback helps others in our community too. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who might be looking for easy ways to earn online. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a new money-making idea. Until next time, happy hustling and keep making those extra dollars.